In this video, we're going to have a look at using Pythagoras to be able to answer a word question. So before we get stuck into having a look at the example, just remembering the two formulas that we use c squared equals a squared plus b squared when we're trying to find the hypotenuse side of the right angle triangle. So the side that is opposite the right angle. And then we use a squared equals c squared minus b squared. We want to find one of the two other smaller sides, or one of the sides that are coming off of the right angle. So let's go ahead and have a look at how we can use these formulas to be able to solve a word question. So having a look at the example, we have a television that has a screen size of 63 centimeters, which means the diagonal length of the screen is going to be 63 centimeters. So if the vertical height of a 63 centimeter screen is 39 centimeters, it's asking us to be able to calculate the width of that screen. So after reading the question, the first thing I should do is draw a diagram. So the question is talking about a television, and a television is going to be in the shape of a rectangle. So I can start off by drawing a rectangle, and then I can add in the piece of information that says the diagonal is 63 centimeters. So I can draw in my diagonal that I know is going to be 63 centimeters. I also know the height is going to be 39 centimeters, and it's asking me to calculate the width of the screen. So once I've got my diagram, which started off as a rectangle that we've put into two triangles, I can see that I've got a right angle triangle that I can now be using in my calculation. So having a look at the right angle triangle, I can see that the right angle is down in the corner. The side opposite the right angle is going to be 63 centimeters. So I've got the hypotenuse side, which means I want to find one of the non-hypotenuse side. So the formula is going to be a squared equals c squared minus b squared. So my 63 centimeters, my hypotenuse is going to be side C, 39 can be side B, and W is side A. So substituting into my formula, W squared equals 63 squared minus 39 squared. Then going ahead and working out what W is going to be. So W squared is going to equal to 2,448. To find W, I need to square root both sides. So the square root of 2,448. So W is going to equal to 49.48 centimeters. Rounding to the nearest centimeter, that's going to be 49 centimeters. As with any word question, I need to make sure that I'm answering it in words as well. So my word answer is the width of the television is 49 centimeters. So that's an example of answering a word question using Pythagoras theory.